Hello guys, welcome to Instrument Trades, and let's have a look at Bitcoin chart, try to analyze and see what the chart is drawing and showing us. If you remember in my previous videos, I told you that this zone is extremely important for us, and a lot of people said that we're going to the moon, especially after this daily candle closed above this line. But I told you that we have to be real careful and look at the high time frames to see if it's a bull trap or not. And if you go into the 3 days, then you can already see that we just couldn't keep up with this uptrend. So we hit the zone that I've marked, and after that we had a drastic drop. It actually dropped down all this, like I think 17%. Yeah, 17, almost 18% in a matter of 15 minutes. So that was an epic fall. Why it was also predictable. Let's go on the weekly time frames. Time frame. If you remember, I told you that I would expect this candle for a bullish scenario. I would expect this candle to close somewhere above this line, this resistance line, and then have another weekly candle form somewhere here and close above it. Then I would think about the continuation of a bull trend. But what we saw is this huge wick, the huge rejection, the same way like we saw it here and here and here. And after that, we started to retrace down. This is a pretty healthy correction as far as I think, because like I told you, for the 50 something, like 54 days, we saw no specific retracement, no healthy retracement. So we're seeing it now. The next question is, how far can we go? I would expect something the same like what we had here to happen. Let me show you. If we take the retracement and go from this lower low to this higher high, then we can see that it retraced again to the golden pocket, golden ratio. I would expect and I would suggest that there is a high probability now for the same kind of retracement. Let's take the Fibonacci retracement, go from lower low to higher high here, and this is where I have this zone marked for you. Why it is also interesting, why this zone is interesting, you can see that we have another support line coming from here. So what I would expect it to go something like this and hit it with the wick, and then we can go higher. This is one scenario, but that doesn't mean that the Bitcoin just simply cannot come here, touch this level, and go higher. So for me right now, I will still continue checking and looking what's gonna happen in the close future. If we will go lower and close somewhere in this area, then I would expect to open a short position with the nice risk to reward ratio, like about 10% stop loss and almost 30%, like 25% gain. For the long position, the same way, I would expect it, if we will break this line again, close above it on the weekly candle, then have another weekly candle close above it, then I will consider a long position. And I just want to remind you that these are just my thoughts, and they are not financial recommendation. So please trade careful and always look at the charts, because charts have enough information for you. Another thing that I forgot to mention is this parallel channel. You see that we've been trading in this channel for the last 50 or almost 60 days. Yeah, 50, 54, 60 bars, so that's 60 days. Let's just continue looking at this channel. If we will break lower, somewhere here, close, somewhere here, that'll be a good short opportunity. If we will go after hitting this area, we'll go higher and finally break out of this channel. This will be a long opportunity for us. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and bye. See you soon, guys.